Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain a few numericals which are related to oblique projectile motion. This is the first question. The height y and horizontal distance x covered by a projectile in a time t seconds are given by the equations y is equal to 8t minus 5t square, x is equal to 6t. If x and y are measured in meters, so the velocity of projection we need to find out. First write down initial velocity is falling in the xy plane. So vectorially we have to write ux I cap, uy j cap. Now, so from the equation of projectile, you got that y is equal to u sin theta with t minus half gt square. Also you got x is equal to u cos theta into t. Now let us compare. See, u sin theta is equal to 8. U sin theta is equal to 8. Then anyhow, if you simplify this, this is minus 5t square only because g is 10. Similarly, if you compare x equal to u cos theta into t, u cos theta will be equal to 6. So therefore, u cos theta is equal to 6. Then what you can write is ux is equal to what? Horizontal component, you got that u cos theta I cap. Vertical component is u sin theta j cap. Now u cos theta is 6i, u sin theta is 8j. This is in vectorial form. Now how to find out its magnitude? Therefore, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. It will be root 100. So you will get 10 meter per second. Fourth option is correct. Let us move to the next question. An object is projected with a velocity of 20 meter per second, making an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal. The equation for the trajectory is h is equal to, otherwise you can take y is equal to ax minus bx square, where h is the height, x is the horizontal distance, a and b are constants. So we need to find out ratio of a and b. So this is the question. Now once you get back the equation of trajectory, just now in the previous video we discussed, y is equal to ax, so it is tan theta into x minus half g by u square cos square theta with x square. Now, so we need to find out first let us compare. So a is equal to tan theta. What is theta given in the question means 45. So therefore a is equal to tan theta. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Now similarly, b is equal to half g u square cos square theta. Now half value of g is 10, u is given 20, u square will become 400. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, but squaring is there, it will be 2. So therefore you can cancel this 2 and this 2. So you'll get this 0 and 0 get cancelled. B is equal to 1 by 40. Now the question is A by B. So what is A1? B is 1 by 40. So the answer is 40 by 1. Fourth option is correct. Next question. a particle is projected from the ground with some initial velocity, making an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal. It reaches a height of 7.5 meters above the ground, while it travels a horizontal distance of 10 meters from the point of projection. Find the initial speed of projection. So in the previous video, you got that equation y is equal to u sine theta into t minus half g by u square cos square theta with x square. And in the next step, you got that y is equal to u sine theta. So this t is, you got that u by x by u cos theta minus half g by u square cos square theta with x square. So u and u cancel. Tan theta with x minus half g by u square cos square theta with x square. This is equal to y. Let us substitute the values. Y is given 7.5. Tan theta, so tan 45 is 1. With x, how much is x given? 10 minus half g is 10. U square, we need to find out u. Cos 45, it will be 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square will be 1 by 2. And x square, x is 10, so it will be 100. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So this will be 7.5 minus 10 is equal to minus 1000 by u square. So it will be 2.5 is equal to 1000 by u square. Then u square is equal to 1000 by 2.5. It will be 10,000 by 25. This will be 4 times. It will be 400. So u square equal to 400. U will be 20 meter per second. So 20 meter per second is the answer for this question. Students, in my next video, I'll continue with applications when body projected at an angle theta, that is also called as oblique projectile motion. So like time of ascent to time of descent, maximum height, range. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.